everyone, today we're going to try to draw a snow globe. So getting started, I am going to write my name on my paper and I'm going to borrow a shape that I got from a container and I'm going to draw around it. So really that just helps you give you that shape. Now if you want, yes, you could just wing it. Not every snow globe is just a circle shape. Now once I want to get into that base, I'm going to kind of draw my base so that it comes out. And it's coming out from the bottom. And I drew the curved line. I want to use a curved line like that along the bottom. Now this is a little bit wider. If you want yours to be a little bit less, I could again go back. And I could have it so that my base is coming more down straight. Also be, and if I wanted it to still though be like a cylinder shape, like at the bottom, right, it's still going to have like a rounded shape that would curve like this. So again, curving like this. So either way, this or this will definitely work for your actual base. So this is going to just have a little bit of a wider base. Now getting started onto my actual next step, I could also give myself a horizon line. That's where the ground meets the background, or the ground meets the sky in some cases. But usually it's just kind of going across. I think I got a little, but I could always just kind of blend that line. So now I have my horizon line or my ground line and my snow globe or my globe, and I'm going to put some stuff in it. Now the back of my globe is kind of getting, if there's like a piece back here, you could definitely grow. But I'm just gonna put a little mound. And because mine is not at Christmas, I'm just gonna put in some winter stuff. So I know that I like if I had a little house. Now you could make it so that there's a castle inside of here, right? Actually, maybe I will make a little castle. So I'm gonna make a little castle. You could make this into a house of some sort, but I'm going to just kind of put like a little castle-y shape inside of mine. And then I want to put some different little things. I'm going to put a little tree. I'm going to use kind of like a triangle shape. Come down and up, triangle. Right? And I'm going to have it end right back here so that it's about the same height as my castle. My castle could have a door on it, and this is just a little tiny castle, and I'm going to just put a couple round windows. So definitely could have other things. I'm going to put one more tree that's going to go behind, so I'm going to again use that kind of triangle shape, whisk in. So it goes behind. Now, this is one of those things that yours doesn't just have to have like the normal snowman, but just for kind of fun, I am going to put a little snowman. So snowman could just use 3 shapes and kind of circular shape if you wanted to have that front part. And I'm going to go with a hat or a head. Kind of big, but that's okay. And I'm going to add one more thing. I'm going to go right below my neck. And actually, I'm going to add a skirt. Add details of your choice. And I'm going to have it like his hat is kind of floating in my snow globe. So I'm going to go just a little above. Now in my snow globe, of course, there's other little pieces usually, and I could give little circles if I want, or I could just put those in with the markers or other stuff. So there is a nice snow globe. Now in the background, of course, I could definitely add some details in my background. Maybe a picture. I'm gonna make my picture actually have a mug. Kind of like it's got a little pocket or something. I can even do it so it has like little marshmallows to fall into. I love marshmallows and hot cocoa. They're kind of a fun thing. So I could have them just a little bit this way and that way to start off the details. So I could add a few more in, but adding in details of your choice in the background. So add lots of details if you want. You can even add some different details to your table or where it's at. I'm just going to add some checkers. So get started. Write your name. Draw a circle. Draw 2 lines down and make a curved line at the bottom. If you want more flat, go straight down and curve the bottom. Then add details inside of your snow globe, like a little snowman, and different details like even a castle. Add background details, and then, well, I'm going to trade in my pencil for a Sharpie and trace.